is our first time like trying this service to leave in our car like in this like parking lot, and then we go on vacation.
Yeah, because we usually have people dropping us off to the airport, but this time we decided to basically rent a parking spot, and Gloria got her stuff ready. Where are we going, Gloria?
Mexico. And now we're going to the restaurant. We're about to go on board on the plane. We just got on the plane and yeah, Jonathan and Dad are sitting somewhere over there. What I got for my snack, I got some sunflower chips and just water. And yeah. And this is what my mom got. She also got sunflower chips and orange juice.
We landed in Atlanta, Georgia. Oh, look at that. There's a plane flying out right now. We just landed. The time here is 1:30 something. Oh, the time is 1:15 in Atlanta.
So we're now getting off the plane and we're going on the other one. So we just came to lunch and now we're just going to be like looking for food because we haven't been eating anything except for like the stuff that they gave us on the plane. But we're going to look for food right now. In 13 seconds, we're about to go on this train to our gate, and then we have to go and claim our bag. So here it is. Ooh, let's get on it.
The next stop is for P gates. B as in Bravo.
You need it? ATO's got it. No matter your preference, we have something for you. Aaliyah represents an opportunity. You need it? ATO's got it. No matter your preference, we have something for you.
Our next stop. Yeah. There's lots of places that you can go and choose to go and eat from. There's a McDonald's, there's Panda Express, there's coffee, there's smoothie, there's...
Personally, I have never seen this in Washington, so we're gonna try it. It looks like there's salads and wraps.
And we're also getting Panda Express. And mushroom chicken.
Thank you so much. We got our original panda, and now we're getting food for my little siblings.
So I'm eating panda right here, but my sister, she got this salad thingy. There's spaghetti and salad, but it was so weird because it was wrapped in paper.
Yeah, the paper it was kind of interesting.
Yeah.
I didn't expect that.
And John is eating McDonald's, of course, and Samuel is also eating McDonald's. Jet Ida. Jet Soda Ida. Why?
Фенікс смачне?
Ага.
Що ти їсиш?
Mozzarella sticks.
Моцарелла стикс.
Does anyone else love mozzarella sticks like me? Because I love it.
We think that this might be our plane pulling in.
So right now we're like by the window, and there's like airplanes that are going like here and like about to like fly in the air. There's one landing right now. Over there. This is our last flight. We're about to go on board. Well, we are boarding. We're about to go on the plane. So right now we're sitting, and Delta is sitting by me. My mom is in, my mom and I are recording. And we're about to go ahead and go find our suitcase. So let's go find it. We just found it.
Transportation is found. Now we just have to wait for it to come. Guys, it is so windy. Look at Gloria's hair. But it's like warm wind. It's not like Washington wind.